Welcome back to the channel, guys. OJ Marketing, and in today's video I'm going to be diving right into a cool strategy to make money right now with Pinterest, and also utilizing a very cool platform like Amazon right now to make money online. Now I'm going to walk you through a lot of mistakes which a lot of people make right now when promoting such kinds of stuff right now on Amazon, on Pinterest, and I'm going to just simply also show you the right way to do that and make a lot of income online. So stick on with me as we dive right into the strategy. If you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I make videos on ways to make money online, and if you like such kind of content, you can check out my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out right there on the channel. You could also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all so that you do get alerted whenever I do release new videos to help you make extra income online. So with that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. Now once you do come onto this platform right here called Pinterest, you actually do find out that people on Pinterest, or people that do come to Pinterest right there, are always having the buyer's intent. So people that come onto Pinterest are actually interested in purchasing something. So if you actually know what people are interested in purchasing, all you need to do is to just simply go on to putting that on their screen and making sure that that is available to them on Pinterest. And in promoting that, you can easily start getting cool and amazing affiliate commission right there once people do go on to purchasing that using your unique affiliate link. So basically that's all you actually need to do on Pinterest. Now how do you actually go on to getting that done? So once you do come onto platforms like Pinterest right now, guys, and you scroll through, you can see that all the images on Pinterest are actually quite cool and amazing images that are attention grabbing, that grabs a lot of people's attention right there to click on those images and actually go on to clicking on the link also attached to such images. Now if you do go onto this platform right here called Amazon, you actually need to go on to registering to become an Amazon associate on the platform called the affiliate-program.amazon.com. This is a platform, guys, that if you do register to become an Amazon associate, that means you are an Amazon affiliate marketer, and you can easily go on to recommending products and earn some cool cash once people utilize your product or their link to purchase products on Amazon. That's how cool this actually is. All you need to do is to recommend products and start earning commissions. And guys, you also need to take note of the demographic, or the particular demographic of people that come onto this platform called Pinterest, because we actually intend on using this as our traffic source. Now if you do go to searching for Pinterest gender demographic, you can actually do see right here that about 76.2% of Pinterest audiences are actually female. So meaning that a huge percent of people coming to Pinterest are female. That means you need to go on to promoting much more products that are actually appealing to female audience, and in that way you can make extra income online with Pinterest affiliate marketing. You could actually go on to utilizing tools right here like the Pinterest trends, and this is an amazing tool that can enable you go on to checking out what is actually trending right now on Pinterest. If you scroll through right now, you can see the top trends on Pinterest right now based on keywords. You can see right now celebrity is actually trending quite a lot, outfits also trending, quotes trending, aesthetics, Valentine gift for boyfriend, Valentine's Day, Valentine, and since Valentine is just some days ago, this is actually trending also. So you can actually do see right now that these are cool stuff that you can just simply leverage to know what is trending. Go on to getting stuff right here related to this keyword from platforms like Amazon right now, or this platform Amazon. Go on to getting the unique affiliate link to promote such products and create cool pins on Pinterest that can actually be grabbing a lot of people's attention. And while creating an account on Pinterest, you need to make sure, guys, that you're actually creating the Pinterest business account. Now once you've created an account right now, you can click on this particular section, of which you'll be able to see the section that you could just simply sign up for a business account or convert your account to a business account in this section right now. And you need to just simply go on to doing that right there. Now once you do that, guys, you can easily go on to driving a lot of cool traffic to your Pinterest audience right here, following the simple strategy I'm about to show you right now. So like I said, guys, make sure you're always using this tool called the Pinterest trends, and to get to this particular section you just need to head on to this domain called the trends.pinterest.com. Now once you actually do that, you go on to getting products on Pinterest. Maybe if you do search for a product like flower vase, and you do go on to scrolling through and select a very cool flower vase that is actually eye-catchy or very nice right there, you can take a look at this one right here. This one is actually looking quite cool. If you do select that right now, it's going to load up and show you much more details about that particular product, of which once you actually do see details about the product in this particular top left section, if you are registered as an Amazon associate right there, you'll be able to go on to seeing the Amazon site Stripe, of which you can actually utilize to get your unique affiliate link to that product and go on to promoting that. You also need to get an image right there of the product, and if you do get an image, you can actually go on to creating Pinterest pin with the help of this platform called canva.com. So once you head on to Canva right now, you can actually go on to this section right here that says search and easily search for the Pinterest pin. Now if you search for Pinterest pin in this section and click on enter, this will actually lead you to a page such as this, where you can actually do see a lot of Pinterest template right now for the Pinterest pin right there that you can easily go on to selecting. Select any of the templates, or you could edit that template to your preference, or you may want to just simply select blank. If you do select blank, it's going to lead you to a page such as this, guys, where you can just simply go on to editing your pin right there to your preference. You can come on to this upload the image which you actually did get right there from Amazon right there for that particular product, and just simply create something quite cool and eye-catchy right now. You can actually take note of other people's pins on Pinterest right there to actually know how their pin goes on to looking like, where they actually go on to adding text right now, and how to easily create such kind of pin. Maybe you can just simply use their own pins as a kind of guide to create yours right now. And once you do create that right there and download that from the platform right here called Canva, all you actually need to do is to head back to Pinterest, and you just need to go on to uploading that on the platform. Now in uploading that on Pinterest, you need to make sure you follow this simple step right here by clicking on the home feed. If you do click on home feed, instead of going on to creating a pin from the organic section, you want to make sure you create a pin for ad. Even though we're not going to be paying any money for this, click on that right there, and you could easily go on to add in a very cool title, a cool description right here for the Pinterest pin. And right now you want to add in the pin in this section. You could also go on to add in alternative text, which are kind of like tags that could easily make your pin reach out to a lot of audience that are searching for some specific keywords. And right here you could also insert your destination link for that Pinterest pin, and you could easily do this before publishing this on the platform right now, and you can actually go on to reaching that out to a lot of audience. Now it is quite notable that on Amazon, guys, Amazon does not actually give a lot of cool and amazing commission rates right now. Their rates for commissions are actually quite little, which is why you may actually want to be getting products from other affiliate marketing platforms like ClickBank, also platforms like Digistore24. Once you do go on to getting some cool products right there, you can also go on to creating some pins about the product. Head on to Pinterest and upload those pins on Pinterest. And guys, like I said, always make this particular platform, which is the Pinterest trends, your closest friend right now. If you're actually interested in making extra income on Pinterest, always make this platform your best tool to always go on to utilizing, as this pin makes you know what is actually trending right now, what a lot of people are actually searching for right there. So you could always utilize this trend to actually make extra income on Pinterest and get your product to a lot of audience right there. So utilize that right there in conjunction with some cool affiliate marketing platforms like Amazon. Maybe you could use platforms like ClickBank and also Digistore24 to go on to getting products and promote those products on Pinterest right there, and also go on to making money online. Now this is a very cool strategy I advise you to take advantage of. This is not a get rich quick scheme. All you need to do is to be consistent with this strategy enough before you can actually start making a lot of money. The strategy actually involves a lot of hard work right now, and you need to be ready to put in the work right there. Make sure you're actually posting regularly, promoting products regularly, and promoting different kinds of products. The product may actually be tailored to a specific niche, but make sure you're promoting different kinds of products in that same niche. Maybe you could either go on to creating an account or creating multiple accounts right there, focusing on different niches, and actually go on to promoting that on platforms like Pinterest, and you can actually go on to making a lot of money right there. So like I said, guys, this is not a get rich quick scheme. You need to put in all the hard work to do and make a lot of income on this platform. And like I said, you could also check out my channel for other cool and amazing strategies to make money online. Maybe if you want to just simply try out other strategies, do that right there. And don't forget to hit the like button to the video and subscribe to the channel, and your notification bell is always turned on all so as to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help boost your income online. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.